who's who list of tech leaders and academics called for AI developers to pause training their models, warning we may lose control of our civilization. Now lawmakers are trying to regulate the rapidly adopted technology, but has Pandora's box been opened? Well, to help me answer that,
Google, Meta/Facebook, Microsoft are in a race to introduce new artificial intelligence systems.
AI race for search, it's on.
The artificial intelligence company OpenAI unveiled ChatGPT-4.
It's the photo editing app that's taken over social media.
Stuff inside them. They don't have the same way of thinking or the same kind of mind. And so the empathy component is not there. They lack the tools.
and so what is the Turing test for this? What is the test of consciousness that would give you some inkling that AI is moving towards having this sense of the stuff inside of us that, as you argue, would keep it from being sociopathic?
Right. Well, I think that's a really difficult question. And
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
As artificial intelligence continues to advance, it's natural to feel uncertain and uncomfortable about its future role in our lives. But what if there was an AI solution that addresses these concerns and revolutionizes the way we perceive and interact with technology and each other? Introducing Eye for an Eye, an AI platform built upon the universal axiom and apex insight, leveraging fundamental principles of physics to transparently dissect and reassemble information in a way that has never been done before. And for all those who feel uneasy about AI's future, Eye for an Eye AI offers a sense of security and reassurance. By aligning with the universal axiom's 12 powerful principles, Eye for an Eye ensures ethical, responsible, and transparent artificial intelligence development and applications. Eye for an Eye, the universal axiom, and apex insight join forces to create a groundbreaking artificial intelligence solution that empowers individuals from all walks of life. And together, they form a dynamic and objective framework that addresses the challenges of AI integration head-on. By harnessing the power of physics and the collective wisdom of humanity, Eye for an Eye reveals hidden connections and insights, enabling users to make informed decisions and overcome personal biases, professional obstacles, and so much more. Through Eye for an Eye AI, even the most skeptical can find comfort and confidence in artificial intelligence of all forms, embracing its potential to transform all of our lives for the better. Discover the future of perspective with Eye for an Eye AI, powered by the universal axiom and apex insight. Visit eyeforaneye.com to try it free and invest in yourself. Experience the profound impact of a technology designed to address all of our concerns and elevate all of our potential.